Well, this is showing you guys the reality of what it's really like to travel in a van. There is nothing to do on certain times when it comes to this kind of van. You know? This is crazy. Look at this is how deep the water is. Like I'm in a swimming pool right now. So welcome to reality. Yeah, we got our own waterfront, Dookie. Yeah, I know. Whoa. Figure it out. We'll go get some wood and maybe we'll be able to get a fire. Let's see. Pull right there. Go back in right there. So we'll go back in there. We can still hang out. So that's what we'll do. I honestly, since I traveled all over the country this year in 2023, I think this is the most rain that I've been in that I can recall of being in a van for a long period of time. I mean, there was times it was cold, rainy, but I don't think I've been all day yesterday, all day today. We did last night, had a nice fire. Anyways, this rain can't stop me from feeding this little guy, because this little guy is a special little guy, and we're gonna hook him up. So we're gonna put that down. We're gonna grab this. And actually, I got kind of lucky that I picked up one bag left. One bag left for my little dude. And then tomorrow morning we'll be back home. So, and I got my dinner over there. Alright guys, well, we just went to get some wood at the ranger station right up front. Just remember, if you come to Hillsborough, bring cash and exact cash. Because I had to give a $4. I only wanted to get one bundle, I'm getting 2 bundles. And gave them a $4 convenience fee, so $10 a bundle. But anyway, here's what it is. So here's number 60 at Hillsborough River State Park. And this turned into a lake, which you guys just saw. But I moved over here up on land to be able to, 1, we can have a fire. 2, we're out of the water. So it's pretty cool. But let's see if Dookie wants to go for a walk. Want to go for a walk? Come on. Nope, come here. Hey, come here. And walking didn't happen. So, well, it stinks to be only a half hour away from home and then we gotta deal with this, but it is what it is, so. Nice site though. Put 2 vehicles, tent. And then one we had last year with my nephew and my brother was 68, which is right around the corner right here. That's what I thought, which is not this one, but the one on the other side on the far corner over there. But this is what we got for number 60. Even if you have like a big rig and you brung out the awning, this would be all wet. So I guess this is a good spot for me, I guess. What do you say, Duke? Oh, yes, I do. Looks like it's gonna light up a little bit. The thing is, it's probably gonna be crazy. We do have 2 bundles, which once it stops, we'll start a fire and then we'll burn that up and go to bed and go from there. There's some shows I want to watch. But, man, I want to take a walk around here and show you guys this campground. Really get up. Dude doesn't want to go for a walk, then we'll just get ready for a fire. So my Crocs, or slip-on shoes, whatever you want to call them, not your normal cheap Crocs, I'll never buy those, and my hiking shoes are soaked. If you do travel in a van, be a little bit more responsible than I am by pulling up your carpets, put them in when they're dry. Make sure your shoes and everything are inside. Ooh, fancy lights. So, it's cocktail hour. Struggles of trying to light up some wet wood. Usually it's not a problem, but what I bought is completely soaked and I can't get it going. I've had a bunch of papers, I've had a bunch of some cardboard, I had some lighter fluid, used all that up and torched it for a while, and it's got it. I mean, it's hot for sure. Dude, I don't see anything, bud. The neighbors, they're chilling. I think Luke sees or smells something. I don't see any eyes though, bud. I don't see any eyes. See if we see anything over here. Hey. Simmer down, bud. Okay, stop it. There might be something right over there. Oh yeah, right there. Something over there. Oh, raccoon. Oh, armadillo. Oh yeah. It's an armadillo, homie. It's an armadillo. It's an armadillo. Mm-hmm. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know. Alright, well, 2 hours later, we'll finally get a constant flame. You can hear it. How wet it is. Hey guys, this has been a fire struggle type day, but it has been raining 3 days straight here in Florida, which you guys seen in the previous videos. But meanwhile, I just moved it around a little bit. Now we're getting some off here. Alright guys, we're gonna leave my most struggling. Oh, where the fuck is it? Jesus Christ. I'll leave our most struggling campfire we ever had. And it's starting to rain again. So we're gonna head in. How? Fucking towel. I'm gonna fold this up. We're gonna have to do some cleaning. You're a good boy. Hey, doggy. It'd be kind of nice to wake up and show you guys the campground while we're here, but who knows? We'll play it by ear. Woo-wee! What a crazy last 3 days, huh? Talking about planning it a wrong vacation, but it's not, because a part of my channel is, guys, is to show you the reality of what it's like to really, camp in a microvan, this small van, campgrounds, in the rain, and different obstacles that you go through. And today was a perfect example of that. So, thanks for watching this episode. American Freedom Tour 2023 is going to keep rolling. Fired up. Oh, we just seen some people right there. People are finally getting out. It's been raining for like 3 days straight, bud. He's like, I know, Dad. I know, Dad. I know, Dad. That's how it is.